a da, din, da a da, tin, ta a ta. I want to talk about mudras. What do you understand by a mudra? What is mudra? Mudra, they are specific, it's a sign language, or it's known as it's a language of gestures, which have been coded into a text called the Abhinay Darpanam, which have fixed, they have fixed, हाथ का fixed usage है. It is the same usage for in Bharatanatyam, in Kathak, in Kuchipudi, in Kathakali. Everybody uses the same language, excepting that some use it a little more and some use it a little less. So today I will be talking about some mudras that we are using. Firstly, I would like to show you how, like when we are doing this, this is a mudra. If we are doing this, this is a mudra and this is a mudra. When we are doing this, these are two mudras. So this is a language of gestures. Dance क्या होता है? It is the language of the body, it is the language of your face, it's the language of your eyes, and a coded language of gestures which we use in dancing. I will only teach you 5 mudras for today. The first mudra is pataka, tripataka. Tripataka, this means ये जो उंगली है ये झुक जाएगी. Tripataka. अर्धपताका, कर्तर्य मुखम, and mushti. Mushti we use when we fight. Again, pataka, pataka, tripataka, ardhpataka, kartarya mukham, suchi and mushti. 6 mudras we have done today, right? हमारे यहाँ कथक में we are not using all the mudras, we are using certain mudras in certain, like suppose I do tat tat. So this, what is this mudra? Pataka. This is pataka. Tat tat. Tigda dig dig. This is again pataka. But if I do this, this is a mudra. This is a mudra. This is a mudra. And this is a mudra. इन सब के नाम हैं. जैसे कि अगर चिड़िया उड़ाना है या पेड़ बनाना है या पानी दिखाना है, these are all varieties of pataka. ये मुद्रा आ गई. इसका नाम मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, राइट? ये सारी मुद्राएं हैं. तो आज हम लोग सिर्फ 5 याद करेंगे. वी वोंट गो वेरी फास्ट. पताका, त्रिपताका, अर्धपताका, कर्तर्य मुखम, सूची. ये सूची हंसते व्हेन वी पॉइंट एट समबडी. ये बहुत गलत है, ये बहुत खराब है, समीप बहुत खराब है. तो सूची, राइट? यू व्हेन यू पॉइंट. थे त धा. ये कौन सा हस्तक हुआ? पताका. थे त धा. पताका. थे त धा. तो पताका का बहुत ज्यादा यूसेज है, राइट? आप लोग ये चीजें याद रखेंगे. वी रिपीट अगेन. पताका, त्रिपताका, अर्धपताका, कर्तर्य मुखम, मुष्टि एंड सूची. आज सिर्फ इतनी याद रखेंगे. Is that all right?